So, ito na bang start.
We are here sa Nolcom. Day one sa trip namin to Quirino. I'm here with Waves for water. Day one. Sige. Dito ka sa frame para ito. Okay, anong pinagkakaabalahan natin dito?
Loading.
Loading? Sige. Anong
I'm sorry.
I had to get away from the heat. This camera, nag-shutdown siya. Hindi siya mabuhay. Take one. So, Carmeli, why are we here?
We're going on a trip.
On our favorite
Ano ba?
Ship.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rock. You know what they were? Was my then you was my then you was my was my
You remind me of this vlogger in New York who's always on his skateboard wearing shades.
Ganon.
Named Casey Concepcion.
and love.